subject name? ENVI, RON, MGN, TAL, Environmental Studies. STUDIES, Environmental Studies. Listen carefully, all the children. Look at the board. Okay. So, what is the lesson name? Fifth lesson I taught already. So, fifth lesson completed. What is the fifth lesson? What is the fifth lesson? First, you must on your videos. Pajuri Rajesh, Zoya Malika, Hamsini, Vignesh, Varshita, Vandana, Gangapuram Hansik, Manikanta, you must on your videos. Your teacher will take attendance. Okay? So the lesson name is very good, beaks and claws. Beaks and claws. What is the lesson name? Beaks and claws. Yeah, very good, Vandana and Varshita. Listen carefully. I am. Look at the board. So, previous class already I taught lesson. What is the lesson? Beaks and claws. The lesson is totally lesson completed, children. Now, today I am going to give a hard words from the fifth lesson. Okay? You must complete your fair notes up to 4 lessons. Okay? Now you write fifth lesson hard words in your running notes. Okay? After 4 lessons complete, after you must start the fair notes from fifth lesson. Okay? Okay, children. Beaks and claws. Okay? Write first one difficult words. All the children you must read and write. Difficult words. Write first one beaks. 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 Write neatly. Write always first letter starts with capital letter and write neatly. Claws. 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 Okay. Bills. 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 Okay, children. And next one is, write next one. Build. 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 Next, write feathers. 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 Okay? FEATHERS. Feathers. What happened, Alku Bhavyasri? Look at the board. Where is your running notes? Show me. Show me your running notes. Are you right or not? Show perfectly. Are you right or not? Still you did not start that. First you start. Manikanta. Ayan, show me your running notes. Okay, good. M. Vignesh. S. Vishnuvardhan. M. Vignesh. Okay, next one is, write next one. Peck. P-U-R-P-O-S-E, purpose. P-E-R-P-O-S-E, purpose. Okay, right, next one, preening. Preening. P-R-E-E-N-I-N-G, preening. P-R-E-E-N-I-N-G, preening. Manichandana, right? P-R-E-E-N-I-N-G, preening. P-R-E-E-N-I-N-G, preening. Okay. Next one, right? Oil glands. Oil glands. Oil glands. Okay. Next. Next one, right, children? Cracker. Cracker. C-R-A-C-K-E-R. C-R-A-C-K-E-R. Cracker. Cracker. Next, shredder. S-H, S-H, S-H-R-E-D-D-E-R, shredder. S-H-R-E-D-D-E-R, shredder. Spoon shaped. Next one, right? Spoon shaped. S-P-O-O-N, S-H-A-P-E-D. Spoon shaped. Okay? Spoon shaped. Right, next one. Straw shaped. S-T-R-A-W, S-H-A-P-E-D. Straw shaped. Next, spear. Spear. S-P-E-A-R, spear. S-P-E-A-R, spear. Right, next one, children. Nectar. N-E-C-T-A-R, nectar. Nectar, nectar. Okay, read and write all the children. Vandana, Varshita, Hamsini, Bhavyashree. Most of the children still did not on your videos. Okay, next. Cone. Next one, right? Cone. C-O-N-E, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Digging. Digging. D-I-G-G-I-N-G. Digging. D-I-G-G-I-N-G. Digging. Muddy. Muddy. M-U-D-D-Y. Muddy. Okay, muddy. Digging and muddy. Next one, chisel. Chisel. C-H-I-S-E-L. Chisel. C-H-I-S-E-L. Chisel. Next, right, tweezer. Tweezer. T-W-E-E-Z-E-R. Tweezer. Tweezer. Next, right, children. Present. Present. P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present. Present. Right, next one. Toes. Toes. TOES, toes. Okay. Next one. Climbing. 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 Okay. Climbing. Next, right, children. Climbing. Okay. Next, swimming. 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 Perching. 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 Finding. 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 Holding. 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 Hamsini, what happened? Read and write. Zoya Malika, where is your notebook? Show me. Zoya Malika, where is your running notes? Show me. Your running notes. Zoya Malika, I'm asking you. Yes, still just you are not writing. You just open and sitting nicely. Show your running notes. I open your running notes and write, girl. Okay. Write next one. Spread. 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 Spread out. 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 Spread out. Spread out. Okay. Next, diverse. 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 Okay. Right, next one. Wadding. 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 Okay, next one. Right, next one. Sinking. 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 Okay, children. Sinking. SINKING. Next one, right, flimsy. Slender. Slender. Flimsy. 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 Okay. Next, right. Structure. 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 Manichandana, you are not reading. Next, right. Scratching. 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 Okay, next. Right, next one, children. Cling. 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 Okay. Okay, next, right. Curved. 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 This one R. CURVED. Curved. Okay. Next, webbed. Right next one, webbed. W-E-B-B-E-D. Webbed. Okay? Okay, children, write fast. Okay, children. I send pic in your group, children. Now all the children stop. Stop writing. Fold your hands. Pajuri Rajesh. Adapu Bhavyasri. S. Vishnuvardhan. You must on your videos. Ailapuram Pavan. So look at the board, all the children. Fold your hands. Ayan. On your video. See here. Look at the board, Manichandana. Okay? Read first one. Difficult. Which lesson hard was these all are? Fifth lesson. What is the fifth lesson? Beaks and claws. What is the lesson name? Beaks and claws. Okay? Now you read all the children. Beaks. Beaks. Claws. Second time I am reading, now you continue at that time. Claws. Bhavyasri, read. Bills. Very good, Hamsini, Ayan, Zoya. Very, very good now. Bills. Next read, build. B-U-I-L-D, build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Feathers. Feathers. Peck. Peck. Purpose. Purpose. Next, preening. Preening. Okay? Oil glands. Oil glands. Cracker. Cracker. Shredder. Shredder. Spoon shaped. Spoon shaped. Straw shaped. Isa Maran Reddy, you are not reading. Straw shaped. Manikanta, G Manikanta. Look at the board. First read. Gongalla Manikanta, you are not reading. Straw shaped. Spear. Manikanta, what happened? Spear. Nectar. Nectar. Manikanta. G Manikanta. Nectar. Cone. Cone. Digging. Manichandana. Digging. Muddy. Muddy. Chisel. Chisel. Tweezer. Tweezer. Present. Present. Toes. Toes. Climbing. Climbing. Swimming. Swimming. Perching. Perching. Finding. finding, holding, holding, spread out, spread out. Very good, Araku Bhavyashree. R Alekya, Gangapuram Ha, Komali, Rajput Manisha. Very good, children. Diverse, diverse, wadding, wadding, sinking, sinking, slender, slender, flimsy, flimsy, structure, structure, scratching, scratching, cling, cling, curved, curved, webbed, webbed. Okay, children, these all are the fifth lesson hard words. 4 lessons complete, after only you will start fifth lesson. Okay, so fourth lesson question and answers and hard words complete, after only you start the fifth lesson. Komali, look at the board. Okay, see once again. Shall I read again one more time? Okay, read fast, children, now. Okay, only just 3 minutes is done. Read fast. Beaks, beaks, claws, claws, bills, bills, build, build, feathers, feathers, peck, peck, purpose, purpose, preening, preening, oil glands, oil glands, cracker, cracker, shredder, shredder, spoon shaped, spoon shaped, straw shaped, straw shaped, spear, spear, nectar, nectar. Very good, Bhavyashree. Cone, cone. Not reading, Manikanta. What happened? Digging, digging, muddy, muddy, chisel, chisel, tweezer, tweezer, present, present, toes, toes, climbing, climbing, swimming, swimming, perching, perching, finding, finding, holding, holding, spread out, spread out, diverse, diverse, wadding, wadding, sinking, sinking, slender, slender, flimsy, flimsy, structure, structure, scratching, scratching, cling, cling, curved, curved, webbed, webbed. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you, children. And you write in your fair notes.